Hi guys, Meridian Colliantes Vlog. So, mag-breakfast na guys. Hot cake Filipino with star margarine. Oh, with coffee. Yummy. See, guys. Sarap. With banana pa guys. I put the banana. See, with star margarine and sugar. Like this. Very nice. And I eat already too. Sarap. Very nice. Hot cake pancake. Delicious. Come join with me. Breakfast. From Philippines. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Thank you so much to all support my live and my videos. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos ko. Shout out everyone to all support me. Bye.